Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I show you how I made this really beautiful entryway mirror using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Here are the items that I used for this project. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was trace out two 16-inch circles from a piece of Dollar Tree foam board. Once I hot glued my two 16-inch circles together, I then used a sanding sponge to smooth my edges. I then inserted bamboo skewers along the outside perimeter of my foam board. I want my entryway mirror to be massive, so I added a total of 130 bamboo skewers in total. I then used a warm hairdryer to melt my glue strings. Next, I took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it one coat of silver metallic spray paint. Once my spray paint was dry, I added these Dollar Tree silver picks to my design. I then added 10 to 12 of these Dollar Tree metallic pony beads to each of my skewers. I again used a warm hair dryer to melt away my glue strings. I then added these 3/4 inch round mirrors that I picked up from Joann's to my design as well. I'm using a stronger glue for this part of the project to ensure that my small mirrors stay in place over time. As you can see, I added 3 of the beads to the top of each of the skewers, and then I randomly added the rest of the beads and the small mirrors. I then carefully flipped my design over and I added additional hot glue to ensure that these skewers stay in place. I'm really happy with how this entryway mirror turned out. I think it's beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.